Close-up of a modern, shiny motherboard, slowly rotating on a turntable. Welcome to the journey of a motherboard, from concept to product. Engineers in a conference room, sketching and planning on a whiteboard. It all begins with an idea. Engineers and designers brainstorm new features and improvements. Close-up of sketches and notes on the whiteboard. Computer animations of CAD designs, technical drawings, and 3D models of the motherboard. Next is the design phase. Advanced CAD software is used to create initial digital designs. Engineer at a computer, carefully working on a 3D model. A 3D printer printing components, technicians assembling a prototype. A prototype is made to produce and test the first physical version of the motherboard. Technicians conducting tests with advanced measurement equipment. Visual, a laboratory setting with technicians performing various tests on the motherboard. The prototype undergoes rigorous tests to ensure reliability and durability. Close-up of testing equipment and computer screens displaying test results. A large manufacturing facility with automated assembly lines. Mass production begins. Automated systems ensure precision and efficiency. Machines assembling and soldering motherboards. Inspectors examining the produced motherboards. Quality control checks every motherboard to meet high standards. Inspectors using magnifying glasses and testing equipment. Motherboards being carefully packed in anti-static bags and boxes. Packaging and distribution follow. Motherboards are safely packed and shipped. Motherboards in packed boxes, ready for shipping. People using computers for various purposes, work, gaming, creativity. An idea becomes reality. The motherboard is the silent force behind our technology. An idea becomes reality. Close-up of a spinning fan on a working computer, ending with a close-up of the shiny motherboard. Thank you for following the journey of the motherboard. Fade out to the motherboard manufacturer's logo.